Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how gamma rays are produced. Gamma rays are a form of electromagnetic radiation, similar to visible light or X-rays, but with much higher energy. They originate from the most energetic events in the universe, primarily from changes occurring within the nucleus of an atom. Understanding these fundamental nuclear transformations is key to grasping their creation. We'll explore the specific mechanisms that lead to their emission. One of the most common ways gamma rays are produced is through radioactive decay. When an unstable atomic nucleus has too much energy, it undergoes a process to become more stable. This often involves emitting particles and, crucially, releasing excess energy in the form of gamma ray photons. For instance, the isotope cobalt-60 is widely used in medicine and industry because it reliably emits two distinct gamma rays with energies of 1.17 and 1.33 megaelectronvolts. Beyond simple decay, more dramatic nuclear reactions also generate gamma rays. Nuclear fission, where a heavy atomic nucleus splits into two or more lighter nuclei, releases tremendous energy, often accompanied by gamma emission. Conversely, nuclear fusion, the process powering the sun, involves combining light nuclei to form heavier ones, also releasing significant gamma radiation. These powerful transformations are fundamental to understanding gamma ray origins. Finally, gamma rays are also produced in extreme high-energy environments, both in space and on Earth. Astrophysical events, such as supernova explosions or the formation of black holes, generate immense amounts of gamma radiation. In laboratories, powerful particle accelerators can create gamma rays by accelerating electrons to nearly the speed of light and then deflecting them, causing them to emit high-energy photons. These methods highlight the diverse origins of gamma rays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.